what's up everybody? It's Stacy Storino for Joe's Dairy Bar and Grill, and in this video I'm going to show you what our multiple award-winning ice cream stand goes through to create one of our best-selling holiday treats, our St. Patrick's Day Shamrock Shake. So make sure you hit that like button if you're excited, and be sure to subscribe to get a helping of our delicious videos every single week. But before I dive in, if you're looking for all of the hottest ice cream and designer food trends in the industry, as either a consumer or a business, even if you're never going to come by to visit Joe's in person, you definitely want to sign up for our Sunday Inside Scoop. Plus, if you are going to see us, you'll want to pick up your instant coupon too. Good for your next visit. You can register for both simultaneously by clicking on the link below this video. The St. Patrick's Day Shamrock Shake is part of the suite of treats that have worked to make us a local legend at Joe's Dairy Bar and Grill. And do you know why our St. Patrick's Day Shamrock Shake treat is the kind that people put in custom orders for them and other items from our St. Patrick's Day collection way in advance? Word's gotten out. We've been featured in places like the Wall Street Journal and ABC, NBC, CBS, Fox News, and more. Well, I said we're a multiple award-winning ice cream stand, so that's where the fresh foundation tends to start for the St. Patrick's Day Shamrock Shake. We've got soft serve that has the highest butterfat content around, which makes a huge difference. And every single one of our milkshakes, not just this special holiday one, are made by hand. There's no powders, no mixes, no cheats. You can have your St. Patrick's Day Shamrock Shake in the following soft serve flavors: chocolate, vanilla, or classic twist. You can also have it made with any of our 37 flavors of hard ice cream if you want, for a slight upcharge. You could have the shake made regular, thick, or extra thick, but if you have it made the thick or extra thick way, there's a slight upcharge for that too. Then comes the decorating. We have a special blend of sprinkles and edible glitter that we make in-house so that each St. Patrick's Day Shamrock Shake is festive for the holidays. We love doing work like this. We love saving you time, providing you with over-the-top food and desserts and cakes for over-the-top memories with the ones you love. Not just during the holidays, like St. Patrick's Day, but all year long. If you're hard at work, when you come home, you don't have to work hard. You just have to contact us so that we can make some St. Patrick's Day Shamrock Shakes just for you and your loved ones. You can even put in a takeout order with a specific pickup time for them if you like. Now you know the steps we here at Joe's Dairy Bar and Grill have to take when creating our St. Patrick's Day Shamrock Shake. But do you have a way to save big once you come by to visit us? No problem. I've got a cool discount for you, and you'll also get the inside scoop on some of the hottest ice cream and designer food trends in the industry. Click the link in the description below to get your savings, sneak peeks into the ice cream world, and more right now. If you like this video, hit the like button below, share it with your friends, and be sure to subscribe. Joe's Dairy Bar and Grill, over-the-top food for over-the-top memories. Come by and make some of your best over-the-top memories with us.